Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys the solution if your keyboard on Android doesn't showing up. So it's supposed to be the easy solution. You restart your phone. In most of the case it would solve your problem, but if it's not, here how to follow my tutorial, and I hope you can solve your problem. So obviously you go to your settings, and then of course you won't able to type search keyboard since your keyboard doesn't showing up. What you have to do, you go back from the search settings and then scroll down until you can find these additional settings. Okay, after you found these additional settings, you click these languages and input, and then you can see the current keyboard here. You have to click this current keyboard, and then make sure you check on Gboard, or if you not find this option, you go to this manage keyboards, and then make sure on here on the keyboard on the Gboard is on and the other else is off, like this. So only Gboard or Google board keyboard that will showing on your phone, and then that's it. I think if you follow the previous steps, you should be solve your problem that the keyboard doesn't showing up. Thank you for watching, guys. If you think this content is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel, or you can click thanks on down below. We really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.